Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today I will show you how to add OEX Mainnet to Trust Wallet in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to coingeekco.com. Once you're there, search for OpenX Network Token or OEX. Scroll through the details and locate the contact address, which is one of the core DAO network. Copy this contact address, you'll need it later. Step 2. Now minimize your browser and open Trust Wallet. Make sure the Trust Wallet is properly set up. Use the search option in the Trust Wallet to look for OEX. If you find it, just enable it. But if you don't see it, don't worry. We will add it manually. Step 3. Tap on the network toggle in the top right corner. It says Manage Crypto. Search for OEX again to check if the token is turned off. If you find it, enable it. If not, click on the plus icon to add a custom token. Now you will see the import crypto screen. Here you need to select the correct blockchain. Tap on Ethereum and change it to core by searching for core in the list. Once selected, paste the contact address you copied from CoinGecko. Manually enter the following details: name, OpenX Network Token, symbol OEX, decimals 18. Once everything is filled up, tap import. Step 4. Now that you have added the token, search for OES again in Trust Wallet. You should see the OpenX Network token in your wallet. You can now use this token to send, receive, and manage your OEX transactions easily. And that is it. You have successfully added OEX Mainnet to Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this and subscribe to channel. And drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.